Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Suruchi from Suru's Diary, Life of Indian Mom in Oman. So today I wanted to share my experience with Healthify Me app, or you can say that I want to give review about the Healthify Me app. So I came to know about this app through internet, online, I think Facebook or Instagram advertisement. I came through it and I installed the app and started using. uh, so let's start with pros. What are the pros of this app? Pros of this app, sorry. So if we talk that you want to know how much you are eating, means how much calorie are you are consuming. So for calculating calories, it is the best app because it contains almost all the food we eat, especially for Indian food. There are a lot of varieties. South Indian, in North India itself, there are a lot of varieties. So here in this app, you will get almost all the food items with their calories. Like today, if I am eating poha in breakfast, you can get that for 1 cup poha, how much calorie you consumed. For 1 cup tea with milk with sugar, how much calorie you consumed. For 1 cup tea with milk without sugar, how much calorie you consumed. Means there are lots of categories in which you can find your food consumed and its calorie how much it you have consumed. So this the good it's the good part. When you install the app and you start logging your daily data from morning to evening, it's divided in like breakfast, morning snacks, lunch, evening snacks and dinner, in that kind, and how much water you are consuming. It also calculates how much steps you walked, if you are tracking it with any what I can say, with tracking it with any app on phone or some smartwatch or something. Anyhow you can calculate your footsteps walked and you can log in there. Or if you are carrying your phone daily, means always with you, then it will automatically count your footsteps. So this is the plus point of the app, that you know how much calorie you are consuming, how much calorie you are supposed to consume according to your weight, body. One more thing, as soon as you will install the app, they will ask some data like your height, weight, current weight, the goal weight where you want to reach, and all those things. So these all things that I am talking is just with the app you have installed. I am not going through any their package that they give. So this all data that I am providing is when you install the app, then these things will happen. So I was happy with it. I think I installed this app last year April 2019, April or May, something like that, and I started using it. It gives one point that you start being calorie conscious. Like in our daily life, we think that we are eating less, but actually we are consuming more calories. So this gave a positive point. And whenever you start logging the calories, there a message will blink that you are like in your micronutrients. You took more fat today. You took more fiber today. So after some time, I was like that. I want to go through any transformation plan. And when you are using, you will constantly see the advertisements of people losing 20 kgs, 30 kgs, 15 kgs in 6 months, 3 months, like that. So that makes you allured. Somehow you get allured and you want to go through the package plan. The same thing happened with me. So last year 2019 December, I took the transformation plan, 3 months per transformation plan. So now here comes the app with the plan. For me, it didn't work. And it's not like that I didn't follow the diet plan and I didn't follow the exercise that was given by them. I did both of them. And I am a mom of two kids. One is 4 year old and one is 1 year old, 1.5. So you can imagine that whole day I have to be on my feet and whole day I have to be active. So there are no chances that I was inactive or I was not following that exercise regime. Food, I was following the diet plan that I was given. Now it comes what was my experience with the transformation plan that I took with Healthify Me. As soon as you pay the amount, this is one con of this app, that you are not given any trial period. You do the full payment, then you can talk to them. Means they will assign a consultant. That consultant will help you how to do the payment, once you will do payment, your coaches will be assigned. For me, I was not informed that I am going to choose the coaches. So whatever coach was assigned to me, I accepted. Later on, I realized that for dietitian, I want to go with any North Indian dietitian who can understand my feeling, means what is the concern what I have with my food. So now comes that how to get into the plan. As soon as you start using the app, one message window will blink that will show you that you are lacking in your micronutrients, you are lacking in your macros. So do you want to go through any plan? That will come on blinking on you. And I chose the transformation plan. Actually, I got a call as soon I typed that yes, I want to go through a plan. They asked my number, and I think number was already registered at the time I registered installed the app. So I got a call from a consultant, and she said that what are the things you want to do, means what are the changes you want. So I got a call from a consultant. She guided me through the payment. So this is the payment you have to do. And I asked about the trial classes. She said no, there are no trial classes. So this is the con with this app. You don't get any trial class. First you do the full payment and then they will talk to you. So I did the payment. Then I got call from the consultant again that within 2 to 3 days you will get your coaches assigned. So my concern was that I have made the full payment and for 2 to 3 days, my 2 to 3 days will be wasted. She said, no, it will be counted from the day your coaches will be assigned. I said, okay. So after 2 to 3 days, my coaches were assigned, but I got a call from dietitian and she took all the means concerns like what I eat in a day. She will healthify me according to the things that I'm eating and according to my ease. She took all the data, and after 2 days I got the diet plan. Similarly, I got a call from one more coach. She was assigned for the exercises. So I told her all the concern that I want to lose my postpartum weight and the concern areas that I want my tummy in, all those things. So she planned exercise according to that, and from exercise point of view I am satisfied a little bit. She was very prompt with my concerns, like if I message her that this is my concern, this exercise is not working for me, she will immediately call me. And for dietitian I had to book I had to book that slot for getting call. Then after booking slots, many times slots were not available. When available slots are available, she used to call in a very random time, means like 2 days 3 days after that time. Means I didn't had nice experience with dietitian. So the thing is that we should go for the Healthify Me plan or not. For me, it didn't work a lot. Means it's not worth it to pay that much amount. That diet and that exercise that they give, we can get it anyway from our own research work, from internet, from YouTube, and what our body wants. Means what's your body type is, what will suit for your body. Like maybe the one diet plan is good for one person but it will not work for you. So you do a little bit research part. For exercises, there are a lot of exercises available online. You can go through it and do it. It's just allurance. I got allured and I went to the plan, but it's not that much worth. Better you install the app, count the calories, just that's it. It's more than enough. You don't need to go through any transformation plan or diet plan or exercise plan. But then also, if you want to give a try, maybe it didn't work for me, it can work for you. So because I saw a lot of photos and posts that people have lost. We also had one chat group where people used to share their experience, but it didn't work for me. What worked for me was my own way, my own research, and I did my own part. Like postpartum, I was 87 kgs, and in the meantime, within a period of 1 year, I lost 12 kgs. And I think that slowly that will be better than going through any sudden transformation plan. Still, I hope to lose more, and I'm working on that. I have shared some postpartum drinks that help me lose weight, and there are more things that I am doing. If they work for me, I will surely share on this platform. So this was the review of Healthify Me app. So if we talk about pros and cons of Healthify Me app, so pros is that this is the best app you can have for counting your calories and being in track. Cons is that you don't need to go through any plan that they offer, because even when you follow the plan or the diet chart they have given, still you will see that you are lacking in some micronutrients, macronutrients, fat, but that is not complete full, like you are getting daily sufficient supply of all macros and micros. So this was my small review. I thought I should share what I experienced with the app. I will not say that this is the not a good app for counting calories. You can of course go for it, and even for packages, if you think you want to give it a try, give it a try. And that's it. So bye bye everyone. See you all in my next video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it and hit on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Bye.